Welcome back, guys. As you guys see, we're outside. We're gonna do some finishing, and these are some 3 to 4 tips to help you guys finish, execute a little bit better with where you want the ball to go, the direction of the ball, the feeling of the ball. So sit back and enjoy the video. Honestly, you don't need much. We need just some balls, 2 cones, and 2 cones in the goal. I prefer this than any other finishing drill because it's not too far away. You're not worried about shanking the balls. You're more worried about consistency of placing the ball in the corner or corner. So I'm gonna share here 3-4 tips about getting the finishing a little bit better than it was. So let's get it going. Guys, tip number 1 would be the placement of the ball. As you guys saw, I put 2 cones in the goal, and I use a lot of the side netting. So always try to aim for the side netting or near post. And so that's always where you want to shoot at. I don't know if you guys have realized, but all of my goals have been the same.
Acá viene Saucedo. Vean a Saucedo, se abrió el espacio, golazo.
Aquí está, vamos a ver el impacto, golazo, gol.
Segundo palo, a ver qué sale de esta. Es el bofo, Saucedo.
And so this is really what I do, practice my finishing. And I'm sure if you're a winger, you're a striker out there, this would be very, very helpful. We're gonna forget a little bit about the cones here, but you're just gonna be able to swing the ball to the right and find the side netting. You realize there that I didn't shoot as hard as I can. It was more of a placement, right? So I didn't try to kill the goal or do anything, right? So that would be tip number 1, would be placement. And that will be very helpful to have an idea. So near post, it's in between those cones right there. And you always have to play with the goalie. You have to always see where the goalie's at, but that will make it a lot easier. Placement, either near post or side netting. The second tip would be getting used to the way you hit the ball. So it'd be, if I'm here and I want to place it there, and that's where I want it, side netting, use the inside of your foot. Start getting used to almost even passing the ball to the side of the net, with the inside of your foot. You don't need to smash the ball. It's just here, and it's just a pass to the corner, right? And it sounds super, super simple, but these are so effective. At the end of the day, you don't want to smash the goalie. We're so used to wanting to score that goal, or wanting to smash the goalie, right? But at the end of the day, it's just this and the inside of the foot right there. I use more the inside of the foot. So you want to get the feeling, right? The feeling of just placing the ball in the corner. Tip number 2 is important, right? Because you don't need to smash the ball, like I said. It's just here, right there. Look at that. And it's a goal, For the final 3rd tip is execution. You have your balls here, and what we just talked about. Tip number 1 is, placement. Tip number 2 would be the focus of your hit, getting the feeling of the ball where you want it to go. And, obviously, tip number 3 is, I would say, doing the same thing, but doing a little bit quicker. Here, game speed. Guys, just like that, that's tip number 3, execution, doing it more game realistic. Another thing as well is that we're working just on if you're, obviously right-footed, you're working on your strong foot here. And it goes the same thing, here with your left, and you get used to that back pocket right there, right? Same thing, here, plant, back pocket, right? So it's just getting used to, with your strong foot, you go to the right, but also with your weak foot, you come around and you get that feeling of finding the back of the net, right? So learning both left and right, as a professional soccer player, guys, I can't tell you guys enough. And learn how to use your left or your weak foot. You're gonna have mistakes, but all that happens. Learn how to do it without a problem, and then months from now we're gonna be talking about how good you are with your weak foot. right there, left, you know? And so you just never know, because if you pretend like this here is a defender, you know, and he knows that you're right-footed, you know, you do a little step over and you just leave him, right? Oh, I missed that, but you leave him, right? It's just all helpful. But I invite you guys to try this on the right side as well. You know, this is something we could do on the right side. You know, the distance is super short, but I do short distance for you guys to understand that it's not about just smashing the ball in the back of the net. It's technique, getting that technique, getting the execution right towards the goal, and understanding that, you know, at the end of the day, the ball needs love, man. You can't smash the ball all the time. You know, the ball needs love. You need to place that thing right there in the back of the corner. So, you know, those are some of my tips now to help you guys finish and make it a lot easier for you guys. The Vapor 16s, I got them from New Soccer Shop on Instagram, so you guys follow the dude. He's a great guy. I wanted to thank you guys for sticking out for the whole video. Don't forget that at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away maybe some cleats, I don't know, a jersey, whatever it is. Thank you guys for the support. Subscribe, like this video. Comment down below what you guys think, what other tips I should be working on. With that being said, you know, guys, this is the first actual training video, so I'll definitely put out more content. We'll experience more different things. We'll experience more of this whole YouTube stuff. So thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to watch the 4 Dark Truths about a professional soccer player right here. Thank you guys. Oh, this one here. We're finished.